My video guide is about getting rid of the malicious pop-up windows related to the site addoncontinue.com. Addoncontinue.com is a really dangerous site that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. This site tries to make you basically download and install some potentially unwanted applications. Therefore, if you ever see these pop-ups, you need to be extremely careful not to interact with them. These pop-ups are absolutely fake, so don't trust them. Don't install whatever they might promote. Instead, you need to just leave this deceptive page. I also recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com. So use the green download button. The software, by the way, is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, iOS. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the application, and start researching your system in order to detect and remove other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.